Nuair chluiseann tú caint faoin Gaeilge. When you hear talk about Irish, b'fhéidir go smaoiníonn tú ar scoil nó ar ceol. Maybe you think about school or even music. Ach cad faoi cluichí ríomhara. But what about video games? An féidir cluichí Imirt trí Gaeilge? Can you play video games through Irish? An bhfuil an Gaeilge ag dul a bhaim ar na cluichí ríomhara? Is Irish making a name for itself in the world of computer games? Branomisteir sin inis. And let's take a look now. A Shane, a Do, a Tree. Tá tionscail cluichí ríomhara ag éireann inis. Ireland now has a video game industry. Tá a gradam héine ag freisin. It also has its own awards. Tugtar gradam cluichí Imirt na hÉireann orthu. They are called the Imirt Irish Game Awards. Imirt means to play. Dentar calóru an ar na cluichí is fearr in éireann. They celebrate the best games being made in Ireland. Léiríonn si sin go bhfuil an airneall i fás go láidir. That shows the sector is growing strongly. Ach tá rud spéisiúil eile ag tarlú freisin. But something else interesting is happening as well. Tá an Gaeilge ag teachtasteach sa spás sin chomh maith. The Irish language is entering that space as well. Tá cluichí in Gaeilge fós sách anmh. Games in the Irish language are still fairly rare. Ach tá siad ann, but they do exist. Sampla iontach ná Among Us, and a great example is the game Among Us. Is cluiche cáiliú le ar fud an domhan ar fad. It is a world famous game. Imríonn tú haon agus do chairde le chéile ar spás long. You and your friends play together on a spaceship. Bíonn oraibh tascanna a dhéanamh le chéile. You have to complete tasks together. Ach bíonn foulltóirí I bhfalach I measc na nimróirí. But imposters are hidden amongst the players. Bíonn siad sin ag iarraidh an oireann a chur ar stray, and they are trying to sabotage the team. Mar sin is cluiche comhoibrithe agus foulltóireachta é. So, it's a game of cooperation and deception. Astriach Among Us go Gaeilge go hifigiúil. Among Us was officially translated to Irish. Is féidir an cluiche iomlán Imirt trí Gaeilge inis. The full game can now be played through Irish. Mar hampla, úsáidtear an focal foulltóir in unit imposter. For example, the word foulltóir is used for imposter. Séir is bríle sin ná duine a chur dala malóg ar ghaoine eile, which means someone betraying or deceiving the others. Mar sin is féidir cluiche damhanda a Imirt trí Gaeilge. So, a global game can be played through Irish. Agus is céim mór chun cinn é sin. And that is a big step forward. Sampla eile, tá Gaeilge ar fáil in Minecraft freisin. Another example, Irish is available in Minecraft too. Cosúla Among Us is cluiche ollmhór domhanda é Minecraft freisin. Like Among Us, Minecraft is a huge global game as well. Úsáidtear focal mar ihir, idis, maide, agus eile. They have words like ihir, earth, idis, recipe, maide, beam, and more. Mar sin, tá gá cheann den na cluichí ismó ar domhan ar fáil in Gaeilge. So, two of the biggest games in the world are available in Irish. Agus an sin tá Dicey Dungeons again, and then we also have Dicey Dungeons, cluiche denta in éireann é sin, and that is a game made in Ireland. Is cluiche indie é faoi rid, chartaí agus strátéis. It's an indie game about battles, cards, and strategy. Agus tá Gaeilge ar fáil an freisin. And Irish is available there as well. Mar sin, níl an Gaeilge le feiceáil i gcliffí móra amháin. So Irish is not only appearing in the big games. Tá sí le feiceáil i gcliffí éireannach a freisin. It is appearing in Irish-made games as well. Tá sé seo fíorthábhachtach don Django. This is really important for the language. Le fada an lá I ceantar áirithe, bhain an Gaeilge leis an scoil amháin. For a long time in certain areas, people linked Irish to the school system only, no le cultúr tradiisiúnta, or with traditional culture. Ach mas mín le teanga marachtáil agus fás, but if a language is to survive and to grow, caithfidh sí a bheith sa saol nua aimsirthe. It has to be present in modern life. Agus do ghaoine óga ach a háirithe, and for younger people especially, tá cluichí ríomhara mar chuid mhór den saol sin. Video games are a big part of that world. Mar sin, mar tá an Gaeilge mar rogha I gclife amháin fiú. So if Irish is an option in even one game, is féidir tionchar mór a bheith acu. It can have a big impact. Tá spáineann sé nach teanga den am atá thart í an Gaeilge. It shows that Irish is not just a language of the past. Is féidir le hí a bheith mar chuid den gná saol an léineo freisin. It can also be a part of everyday life today. Tá cluifi riomhra trí Gaeilge fós ag ferbert. Gaming through Irish is still developing. Níl líon mór cluifi lán Gaeilge ann fós. There are not huge numbers of fully Irish language games yet, ach tá sim ag méadú ann. But interest in it is growing. Mar hampla, tá obair á dhéanamh ar leagan Gaeilge de Skyrim a chur le chéile faoi láthair. For example, an Irish translation of Skyrim is in progress at the moment. Tá daoine éonar agus pobal ar líne ag déanamh a níthil. Individuals and online communities are doing their best, agus tá eagraíochtaí sa tír seo ag cabhrú leo freisin. And organisations in this country are helping them as well. Mar sin, seans go bhfeicimid níos mó cluifi in Gaeilge as seo amach. We may see more games in Irish in the future. Béidir fiú cluifi a dhéantar go hiomlán trí Gaeilge. Hopefully even some games that are made entirely through Irish. Mar sin, cé nach bhfuil gach cluife ar fáil in Gaeilge go fóil. So while not every game is available in Irish as of yet, tá áit na Gaeilge in Arnall na cluifi ag fós. Irish is growing its place in gaming. Agus is ferbert an samúil í sin. And that is a very interesting development. Agus más mála dúchlána chu rotain, and if you'd like to challenge yourself, tá leagan clachtaí agus leagan lán Gaeilge den ísean seo. I've made an Irish practice version and a full Irish version of this video ar fáil do bhail ag an nasc híos, available for members at the links below. Slán go fóill, a Shane, a dó, a tree.